Hey, what's up, sons? I'm Gepetto.
Yo, I'm Daps.
And we're the Early Bird Project.
And we're in the jungle, baby.
Strap your goggles on. Yo, we came to tell you two things. First, this Friday, July 13th, the Bronx Legends Tour.
Talk about it.
Percee P, Busy B, DJ Ice, Coke Rock, Medusa, Early Bird Project.
Yeah.
Come fuck with us.
Get that warm. Second, we got a video for our new joint Early Bird Anthem dropping soon.
Talking about?
It's produced by Port Area Productions.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can follow us on Twitter at the Early Bird Project to get that first look.
Step your scarf game up, son.
Peace.
Yeah, early bird, till the break of dawn. Staying up all night, making bombs. And then as soon as the sun's up, we grinding. 1, 2, 1.